Okay, in this short video I just want to show you the cruise control and how that works. Here's how you use the cruise control. It's you press the button to set. Adjust speed 1 kilometer, you just push it up once, and to push it up 2 clicks you get 10 kilometers, and the same is down, 1 click, 2 clicks. Once you have got it set at a certain speed, and for example you have to brake yourself and it disengages, then you just pull it towards you and it re-engages the cruise control at the speed you originally had. And to cancel that, you push it forward. And to adjust the distance between the car in front of you, for the adaptive cruise, it's click up for plus and click down there. And if you want to set a speed limit, then of course you can do that on there by just pressing that button there. That is so simple to use and very effective as well. It's adaptive and predictive. That will say that it will follow the route and the streets that you are driving on. If there's a roundabout coming up or anything like that, it'll slow down. So what we'll do is we'll engage the cruise control. So that's 1 click to engage it. And there we are, we're going to go up. This is a 40 mile an hour limit, so we'll keep it to 40 it's a 40 kilometer limit. So here we are, we're going to push it up to 60, 50, 60. Now we're going through a tunnel. What will happen here at the end of this tunnel, there is a roundabout. So we'll follow the dial there and see what happens. We're driving along nicely, doing the 49, 48, 47, there we are, we're slowing down, slowing right down. It's the car, there we are, I'm following through. I'm braking a little bit, it was going a little bit too fast. Out, engage cruise control, Leanne, at 50. So where we are, we're coming up to a new roundabout. You see the roundabout sign there, it's slowing down, 42, 40 there. I'm slowing right down because I want the traffic to pass here. You see that the cruise control has turned off. And let's go through. Out of the roundabout, engage cruise control up to 60. So you can see the cruise control is on because of the dial has got that red ring around, and there's a green marker to show the speed that you're on. So it's still a couple of 100 meters to the actual roundabout. The roundabout sign has come up, and we're slowing down. Here we go, 53, 52. 51, and slowing down quite aggressively. Now we can drive through. It picks up speed. There we are, driving nicely through there. I didn't brake. The system took care of the whole process. Again, we're slowing down at the roundabout. I need to brake here. The car is going around there. I will drive slowly around the roundabout. Out of the roundabout, engage at 50 kilometers an hour. There's a crossroads here, but the system didn't pick that up. A little bit further. See, it's staying under the speed limit. It didn't sort of go straight up to the speed limit. It's there now, but it's I've got it on efficiency mode, so it's not aggressive. So we're just going slowly here. And of course, when you're in cruise control, when you're going downhill and the car is doing the speed limit, it will brake, and that will regenerate power back into the battery, which is a good thing. There you can see that regeneration over there. It's regenerating into the battery because it's doing the speed limit and it's downhill. So that, by using the cruise control, it's much more efficient to use the cruise control. Let that sort the system out than if you do it yourself using the paddles. So there we are, we're coming up to a crossroads. The sign has come up again for the crossroads. You can see we're slowing down. 45, 44, 43, 42. I will now brake because it's quite a sharp turn. Okay, and engage speed limit again up to 60. Roll a little bit downhill. And there is a junction coming up, or a bend in the road, so you see it's braking quite aggressively. There we are, through the and here's the intersection. So off we go again, up to 60. It is actually 80 here, so I just let these cars, there's a car coming up behind me, I'll just let him pass. Right, we'll just do a quick, another quick demo. Engage the auto cruise, the cruise control. So 80 mile an hour zone. So let's see the steering. The car is steering. I'm not doing anything. I'm just holding very lightly on the steering wheel, and it is steering. Through the bend at sea here, yes. Doing a good job so far. There I need to take the control. There we are, the car is steering for me and accelerating and braking. We're in an 80 zone, but the car in front is obviously, he's the one that the car is following, so it's he's not doing the 80s. Now it's down to 60, 70, down into 60 autopilot, auto cruise on cruise control, down to 60 on cruise control, and the car is steering quite nicely. And slowing way down for the bend. And that could be, I think I'll wait and let the car go and get ahead of me. Okay, let's go again. We're off again. Cruise control engaged at 60. Building up slowly. I'll just change the screen there. Now we're doing the speed limit of 60. The car is steering. Map, yeah. Don't know why that map is blue all over there. That seems something's happened. But cruise control is on, and it's following the road quite nicely. 60 miles an hour, 60 kilometers an hour. As you can see, there's the red ring and the green dot. There. It thinks there's a crossroad coming up. Actually, it's a parking area, so it's something strange here. It slows very much, really slows down here. Crawls along. I don't really know why it should be doing that. And it'll. So that is something that is pretty weird. I'm going to re-engage by pushing the pedal, the accelerator pedal down. So that is quite strange actually, because there is sort of a parking area with sort of two entrances or two exits, and it just seems to confuse the system. So before when I've tried this, it slows right down almost to a stop. But as I say, if you want to just put your foot down, you can do that, and it will respond.